All right, so the scene I brought in is right here. Now, I don't need the video, and we're going to do what we did last time is basically extract that background out of this video. So I am going to freeze. There we go. There's that 3 second clip. I'm going to get rid of the front there, delete, get rid of the back there, delete. All right, and then I'm going to drop that down as an overlay. You'll see where we're headed with this. You're thinking, oh, it's on the wrong side. You need it to be on the top side of it. That. I also want to make sure I'm standing right about the right place. So that looks good. All right, so now I want to take that top one with me, and just like the last one, we're going to duplicate like that, and then we're going to drop this one down, an overlay. Top one snaps in place. We have all three of them. That bottom one highlighted. Go to remove background. I'm just going to tap auto removal here so you can see that, and it's done. Tap the check mark. And there we go. So now I'm in my new environment. So if we see here, behind me, there's some leaves that should actually be on this side of me. So for perspective and for depth, I'm actually going to move those leaves on this side of me. So to do that, I'm going to grab that background and I'm going to duplicate it, just like we did with the other one. There we go. And now, because we're not on the timeline, we're down underneath it, I can just long press it and drop it down. Snap it in place. You can see here we have these leaves, a couple branches that we can move. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enlarge them a bit so I have a better view. And I'm going to go to remove background. This time I'm going to do custom removal because I want to tell it what I want done. And I have quick brush right there. And I'm basically just going to put my finger down. Once I start moving it, you'll see that window in the top left come up. And it's going to find the main areas that I'm hitting. And don't need to be too particular right now. Sometimes I spend some time to get it just so. All right, so it did get some of the background there. So I'm just going to hit that quick erase there. And if I leave it that way, uncover that, then it will block me out when I'm standing behind it and it will look funny. I'm going to leave it at that for now. One more area. I can kind of come in this way. All right, and then up here, I want to get that little bit there. There we go. And then up here, just have to get a couple of the leaves right there where my head will be. there, there, and just in case, grab that one too. And that one. All right, so I'm going to hit the check mark. And now we have leaves in front of me. And I have me in front of the background. So this whole scene now, as I come running through, I run up to the log, I run and jump, land, and I stand up very proud with the sun in my face. Oh, but what I'm going to do is accentuate that sun a little bit. I'm going to go down to main menu and go to effects. There's actually one called sun. Right there. Now, if I tap it again, I'll have control over the speed. It's basically like the sun rays, and then the atmosphere that will raise or lower the intensity. Sometimes the adjustments are called intensity too, depending. But I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to drop that little menu down on that right side arrow about halfway down, and then cancel, and just cancel that screen, and then hit the check mark to accept it. So I'm going to just extend that out towards the end. So now I have some extra sun on me. And now this whole scene looks like this. Now I could do a little bit of smoothing out to fix that, but you get the idea. Here we go. How's everyone doing? Doing okay? Great.